Hi there, this is Lawrence Simon, a technical writer on the documentation team at cPanel. I'm here to show you how to work with email filters. A filter uses a set of rules to determine whether the system will trigger a set of actions. There are two kinds of email filters in cPanel. Global email filters for all email accounts on the site, and filters for each email account. This video demonstrates the filters for email accounts. The system will run these rules in the XML server, so you won't be able to access them in your remote mail client, such as Outlook or Thunderbird. But you can get to these filters through webmail or the cPanel interface. If you are a webmail user, enter your username and password in the webmail login interface and click Login. Then, click your username in the upper right corner of the webmail interface. And then click Email Filters. The Email Filters interface will appear. If you are a cPanel user, enter your username and password in the cPanel login interface and click Login. Here we are in the cPanel home interface. Scroll down to the email group and click Email Filters. If you're a cPanel user, you'll see a list of users on your site. Find the email account that you wish to manage, click Manage Filters. The Email Filters interface appears. This interface lists the email filters currently on the email account. You can change the priority of those filters with the arrow buttons, or you can drag and drop the rules around. Let's create a new filter. Click Create a New Filter. A new interface with the title Create a New Filter will appear. Let's give this filter a name. Do not talk about Fight Club. Then we'll put together a rule. A rule consists of a field, an operator, and a condition. For the first rule, we'll see if the subject contains Fight Club. Click the plus button to add another rule. A new set of fields appears. We'll fill in the detail for this rule. I'll check the body of the message for Fight Club. You can pick whether to use and or logic with the rules. This lets you tell the filter whether the email must meet one or all of the rules in the filter to trigger the action or actions. Let's go with OR. Now we need an action to perform if the message meets these conditions in the rules. The action the system will perform is, let's discard the message. And we can add another action with the plus button. Stop processing rules. This tells the system to stop processing any more rules and move on to the next message. Let's create the filter. A confirmation message will appear. We can now make a change to this filter, or we can return to the main Mail Filters interface. Let's go back to the Email Filters interface. You can test the filters with the filter test box at the bottom of this interface. Use the template to assemble an email with headers and then click Test Filter to test them. Let's test the filter we just created. I'll type in Fight Club as the subject of the message, and I'll send it. A report interface appears. Sure enough, the system deleted the email. You can see that in the report. To go back to the main interface, click Go Back. To delete a rule, click the appropriate delete icon. A confirmation message will appear that asks you if you are sure. Click Delete Filter to delete the filter, and a confirmation message appears. Click Go Back to return to the filter's interface. For more information about cPanel, the hosting platform of choice, go to cPanel.com or follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching.